Hello. Today I received a really big box that was full of ramen from Korea from my friend Hori. Thank you. I will eat them well. There's so many good ones. I love this one. This is one of my really favorite ones. But there is this one that everybody wants me to make a video of. So they asked me to eat this one. And yes, this is a really spicy one. And it's 불닭볶음면. 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 불닭볶음면? I hope I pronounced it right. Diana, tell me if I pronounced it right. Anyways, I'm not sure how it'll be looking like because I go red already if I just eat warm food, not hot and spicy food. So, yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. Good luck to me! So, as you might already know, I can't drink milk, so I have to figure out something else that I can drink because water obviously doesn't help. So I thought I might try out if miso helps. So, let's take our first scoopful of miso. Yay! And the second one. Yay! That looks good. I think that will be enough. And then, obviously, we want to make this very sweet. So we take some honey. Yay! This is delicious. Yay! And it's dripping everywhere. And now I've got my own trick. Right. To mix it, you have to use hot water. So yeah, let's just fill it, not fully, because we want it to be cold. And mix it. Open this, and yeah. Let's pour the water in. Now we have to wait. Now, let's get this done. Drink, which is very important. Put it here. And this is my food. 잘 먹겠습니다. It's definitely spicy. Yeah, it tastes nice, but it's really spicy. I'm sure I'm getting red now, am I? Wow. Wow. I have hiccups. Oh wow. Yukaru doesn't really help. Right. Well, I can't eat when it's cooking. Ah! Wow. Wow. I'm not crying. It's spicy. I don't know how you guys do it. This is too spicy. Oh my gosh. Ah. It tastes good. I get the spiciness with the way it would taste really good. It's a little bit spicy. It feels easier now after the hiccups. It's still spicy though. It's so so spicy. It definitely gets easier closer to the end. Empty. Wow. I feel hot. I feel like my face is red and like the sauce is around my face. I feel like that. Oh, my hands are so cold. Right, now it's time to drink. Wow. It's okay, it does help for a second. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it makes it worse. I'm gonna check myself. So, I ran downstairs and I got myself a banana. Because bananas are good for spicy food, aren't they? I'd like to believe that they are. Oh. Bananas are really good. I could feel my mouth suddenly going like when I came back upstairs with my banana. My mouth was like, I could feel my heart. Can you feel my heart beat? Beating to you. Yeah, I can definitely feel my heartbeat. I think I'm getting more red now. Maybe because it's hot in the room, or maybe it's me. Wait, is it hot in here, or is it me?